Alam mo ba na pwede ka nang mag-glow up sa skincare mo while saving more? Let me show you these Hydra bundles at kung bakit sulit sila. Bundle 1 is perfect kung gusto mo ng hydration and glow. Hydra Moist gives deep hydration for soft and plump skin. Yung Hydra Glow Boost Serum naman is to brighten and improve skin texture. And ang bonus, you get Hydra Ice Cube Soap for free. Our bundle 2 naman is for those na gusto ng complete routine for protection and repair. Hydra Moist locks in moisture, Hydra Shield protects skin from harmful UV rays, and lastly, Hydra Glow Boost Serum for anti-acne and anti-aging. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating pa-freebie na Hydra Balm for cleansing and exfoliating. Whether you choose hydration and glow with Bundle 1 or full protection and repair with Bundle 2, panalo ka pa rin kasi may free product included. Kaya don't just buy one, grab the bundle and let your skin thank you later.